Hello again, boys and girls. Now we're going to do math. Yesterday, we started a new concept, and it is called subtraction. And what is subtraction? Well, it's an action. That's why I like to call it subtraction action. And what do we do when we do subtraction action? Are we putting groups together? No, that's addition. We are taking away and forming a smaller set from a larger set. And yesterday you learned a couple of big words, right? And I'm sure you don't remember them, but if you do, I'd be very impressed. Let's look up here. I wrote them down again. Minuend and subtrahend. Now, do you notice the way I wrote them? I wrote minuend much bigger than the way I wrote subtrahend. Can anybody guess why? That's right, because yesterday I told you that subtraction action, we have to have the bigger number first in our number sentence. Not like addition. That's why they were both called addends in addition, because it didn't matter which one went first. We were still going to get the same sum. But we're not looking for a sum now. We're looking for a difference. So our minuend will be our large set that we're going to take away with the magic minus sign. Minus means to take away. And we take away the subtrahend and we see how much is left. And that is called our difference. So today we're going to practice taking away sets of 1, 2, and 3 from a minuend. Okay? And what I did for our minus sign, I made them green so that you can think, okay, go away. And the equal sign is red because we'll stop after that to count how many we have left in our difference. So our first subtraction action sentence, and what you should have with you right now is your dry erase strip, your marker, your eraser, and your cubes or your abacus or any little objects that you can form sets with. Okay, so you can follow me along. So we're going to start with subtracting from 1. I'm sorry, taking away 1. So our minuend, our big set, is going to be a set of 6. So count out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 in our set. We're going to take away, go away. Green means go. Go away. Take away 1. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll finish our subtraction action sentence by writing the number 5 after our equal sign. And you can do it on yours. Okay? So now you're going to keep up with me, okay? I'll give you a few minutes to write the next one. Okay? So let's write 4 minus 1 and your equal sign. Okay? The larger number is first. The minuend is first. So start with a set of 4 with your cubes or your abacus or whatever you're using. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our larger set, our minuend is 4. We're going to minus, take away, go away, 1. Take 1 out of your set. How many do you have left? Right. 1, 2, 3 is our difference. So you can write 3 at the end after your equal sign. Okay? Stop. Count how many. 3 is the difference. Okay? Erase your board. Okay, write the next number sentence. I'll be right back. how many do we need in our first set? 8. 8 is our minuend. So our larger set is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You with me? Everybody have a set of 8? Okay. 8 minus means what? Take away. Go away. Take away 1. Let's see what our difference is. Our difference is, how many do we have left? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can write 7 after the equal sign. Stop and count them up. Equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7 is our difference. Okay, erase your board. Clear your board. Now if you're using the cubes, you don't have to put them together. You can keep them just separate in a group like this. It'll help you remember that we're not putting groups together, instead we're separating. But whatever's easier for you. Okay, now we're going to practice taking away 2 from a given set. So our first number sentence will be, okay, ready to write it? 7 take away 2 equals. Write that out on your strip. Okay, ready? So we're going to start with a set of 7 is our minuend. 7 in our set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many are we going to take away? We're going to minus 2. Go away 2. Take away 2. 1, 2. Now we want to see the difference. How many are left? That will be our difference. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that what you got? Okay, good. So then you will write equals 5. 7 take away 7 minus 2 equals 5 is our difference. 5 are left. Okay, erase your board. Okay, now you're going to write this number sentence. 4 take away minus 2 equals, okay, write that. And how many will we start with? Right, 4. We have a set of 4. Green means go. Go away. Take away. We'll take away 2. 2 is our subtrahend. Take away 2. Equals our difference. How many are left? Right, 2. So after the stop sign, after equals, we're going to stop, count, and our difference is 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2 left. 2 is our difference. Okay, erase your board. Okay, ready? Okay, our number sentence is, and you're going to write it on your strip, 9 minus 2 equals. So our larger number is first, our minuend is first, and we need 9 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So everybody have 9? Okay, what are we going to do with that 9? Right, go away, take away, minus. How many are we minusing? 2. Let's take away 2. Doesn't matter where you take them from. Still taking away 2, right? Okay, now stop. Red means stop and count. How many's left? What is our difference? How do we make it different? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write 7 after the equal sign. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Okay, erase your board. Now we're going to take away 3. Okay, our first number sentence is going to be 5 minus 3 equals. Okay, write that down. Remember your 5. Man stands up, finishes his dinner, he's got a fat belly, puts his hat on. Okay, remember 3. Push up, go around and around. Okay, don't forget your minus and your equal signs. Okay, so we're going to start with a set of 5. We have 5 in our whole set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we want to go away? How many will we take away? Minus 3. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left? 2. 2 is our difference. So after the equal sign, we're going to write 2. Remember 2? Push up, slant, and slide across. Making our number sentence 5 minus 3 equals 2 left. 2 is our difference. Okay, erase your board. Ready? Okay, get ready. Whoa, we got a big set to start with. Okay, our number sentence is, you're going to write this, 10 minus 3 equals, okay, ready? Let's get a set of 10. Big set of 10. Our minuend is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made it 10 frame style, right? 5 and 5, 10. Okay, so we're starting with a big set of 10. How many do we want to go away? We're going to minus, we're going to take away 3 is our subtrahend. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what our difference is. How many do we have left? Okay, we know this is going to be 5 because I did it like 10 frame. 5, 6, 7. So after your equal sign, you will write 7 to finish your number sentence. Let's read it. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, erase your board. Clear your board. Okay. Ready? Okay. This one's going to be easy. Okay, let's write the number sentence. 3 take away minus 3 equals, okay, let's get a set of 3 up there. See what happens. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our minuend that we're starting with is 3. We're going to take away minus 3. So what does that mean? Yes, we're going to take them all away. How many do we have left? 0. So let's read our number sentence now. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so now you know a little subtraction action trick here. Anytime the two numbers are the same, anytime the minuend and the subtrahend are the same, you're taking it all away. Your answer will always be 0. But this is only true for what? Subtraction action. Because subtract means to take away. If you take the whole set away, you have no more left. We're going to do a couple more like that just to test that theory. Okay, erase your board. Okay, now write this number sentence. 4 minus 4 equals. Ready? Remember how to make 4? Down, across, and pull it through. Okay, so our minuend, the set we're starting with, is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take away, we're going to minus 4. So we have 4, and we're going to take away 4. Take them away. What do you have left? 0. So again, when the minuend and the subtrahend are the same, you're taking it all away. The answer will be, right, 0. We call those the subtraction action no-brainers, right? 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, erase your board. Let's do 2 more. Okay. Let's do 6 minus 6. Remember 6, start at the skyline, slant down to the ground, and curl it in. 6 minus 6 equals. Write that down for me. Okay, ready? Let's get 6, a set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus, how many do we minus from our set of 6? Right, 6. So what are we going to do? Take them all away. How many do we have left? 0. Again, subtraction action no-brainer. When the two numbers are the same, you're taking it all away, you'll be left with nothing. 0. Write 0 after your 6 minus 6. 0 is our difference. Okay, last one before you practice on your own. Erase your board. Okay. Let's read it and write it. You could do your snowman style, 8, or your S style. Okay, 8 minus 8 equals, write that down. And the big set that we're starting with, our minuend is 8. So let's make a set of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take away minus 8. 8? Well, we only have 8. That's right. We're taking them all away. Take them away. What do we have left? 0. Right. 8 minus 8. You only had 8. You took away 8. You have nothing left. 0 is our difference. Okay. Good job. Okay, now for practice, you're going to do 3 pages today. 3 because they are pretty easy, right? We just did it. And on your paper, since you can't take them off your paper, what you're going to do is X out the ones that you need to take away. You're going to do in your book, taking away, subtract 1, subtract 2, and subtract 3, just like we did. You can use your cubes or any little object that you have that will help you. Act it out. On your paper, you will cross it out. So act it out and cross it out. And you will write the difference. How many is left after you take away 1 on this page, 2 on this page, and 3 on this page. And they do have practice on the back too. Okay, it seems like a lot, but once you get going, you'll see, it'll go quick. Just like this lesson did. Okay, all right, so take it away and have fun with your subtraction action. I'll see you in a little while for religion.